So 3 different doors installed and freaking awesome.
Yeah, it's great. You know, I mean, we've seen the folding door, the stacking slider, and the pocketing slider. Yeah. I mean, these are pretty much 95% of the systems that we sell when you'll see in the field as an installer.
Oh, really?
There's a lot of different configurations with both systems, but the principles are the same.
Yeah.
Spend your time on the frame.
Yep.
Square, level, plumb.
Yep.
It's going to be a big portion of your install. The doors just go in, okay? Right. They need some slight adjustment, but it's relatively simple and quick. Okay?
Yeah, all the preparation, it's obvious. I mean, we sat here all day and did 3 of these big doors, and we saw firsthand what it's going to take. If you have your frames together in square, you're saving at least 2 hours.
Absolutely.
If not more. The other thing that I did learn about this is, in that guide, it is a step by step by step.
Yep.
Take it step by step by step.
Yes.
Remember your sealants at every different point.
Yep.
Because that's going to allow for you to not have to come back later on if there's any water. But any homeowner is going to look at any of these doors and just be so happy with it. And if all you got to do is stay on that video, rewind when you need to, and you're going to look like a pro. And it's going to take a lot less time than you think.
Yep. I mean, we could make a perfect system, right? But the other 50% is a good install. So, you know, you want these doors, if they're installed properly, they're going to last for years. The other thing I encourage is use of the installation checklist.
Yeah.
It's a quality checklist. If you tick all the boxes and address all those points, you're going to have a good install.
Yep.
Okay. So I mentioned these are probably 95% of the systems you're going to see in the field. There are some other unique applications, such as zero post corners, where we have 90-degree units without a post in the corner.
Yeah.
Same thing though, square, plumb, and level. All the flashing's the same, all the prep's the same. The corner has corner keys to seal it. You seal all your joins. But again, it's a really simple install. The other system we're starting to see a lot more of is door-window combinations.
Those are also really cool.
But where windows go one way and doors go the other without a post. Again, square, plumb, level, you're guaranteed a good install.
And I will say hats off to your designers and engineers, because all the pre-drills and everything just made everything flow a lot easier.
Yep.
It wasn't a head scratcher. It was like, oh, that's where it goes. Everything's properly labeled. So,
yep.
I mean, one day, 3 doors, that's pretty good for
a
bunch of has-beens.
Yeah, that's right. Speak for yourself.
Okay. All right, Lee, I had a blast. Thanks for having me.
It's great for you to finally come down.
Yes.
It's been years.
And then you put me to work.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I wasn't going to tell you the exact scope of the work.
I kind of knew. Knowing you, I knew it.
Well, you make a difference, you know. I can't do this by myself. I enjoy working with you, and it's been fun.
Yeah, it has. All right, that's it for the LaCantina installation series. Thanks for joining us. Remember, you got those videos. Rewind, fast forward, all the tips and tricks to make you look more professional. If you need more information, LaCantinaDoors.com. Thanks for having me, Lee.
No worries. Thanks, mate.
All right. See ya.